Morning folks, so we are back at the NEC in convoy this time. Just gonna have some brekkie in the car park and then make our ways over. Of course, we're at the alcohol stand.
Nice.
You spotted it.
Wood finish?
Wood
carbon fibre, sir?
Oh, that's a tough one.
Oh, they've got silver as well.
It's got to have a bit of class while you're giving a handbrake turn.
We get a private tour of something very expensive.
I'll have a look at it.
Yeah, cheers.
I don't know what you'll be able to do much filming with everybody in there.
That's fine.
Oh, wow.
Jesus.
Bloody hell. What is this van, Phil?
It's a Frankia Titan.
Titan. Of course it
Oh my
is.
god, the bed's up there.
Plenty of room.
Imagine driving with this much front.
I wouldn't like that, I don't think. It's just too unnecessary, isn't it? This is cool. Smells good, doesn't it?
What do you think?
Smells fresh. Emma's just having a
I'm just having a shower, darling.
shave and shower.
I mean, who has cabinets in the cab?
Fridge.
Excuse me?
Oh, it's amazing.
It's amazing. Double door. Yeah, baby.
What's this?
It's just life completed, isn't it?
I want one of these.
It's not just a fridge, though.
Just have to
It's a
sort
great
one out.
gadget.
We'll get one involved in the 590, mate.
Control panel.
Ready.
Wow. That's so swag. That's amazing. I love it.
No.
So when you next go away,
It's sold.
you get your van sorted.
It's sold. Someone owns this now.
I'll have my van, but I'll have my van before I go.
We are here with Phil, Emma, Darren, Simon is outside, looking at ridiculously priced, very nice vehicles. It's awesome. Imagine if we had these. It'd be a bit next level, wouldn't it?
Sold out and hit the other realm, wouldn't we? I mean, it is nice, but Lance would just f this thing right up.
Do you know when you do your logs, your whiskey lives,
Yeah.
with the dogs and
Oh, it's
bloods
perfect.
get farted or whatever it happens to be? I think this would be perfect.
It would be perfect. It'd be the ultimate setting.
Yeah.
If we could get one for a year, we could do plenty of lives. He's not even in here anymore.
That'll go fly.
It's that.
Hey,
Probably shouldn't have
Probably
put
cost
that in
50
there.
quid that. Yeah. Be careful, yeah. You be careful, mate. Break it, you bought it.
This drops down and turns into a bed. So I think these make up for the flat
Got
ones.
2 double beds.
It's like a hotel when it is.
Just screams fun.
Especially setup, the standard power setup.
Where though? In between all the skylights? Because there's a lot of
Like a what's
I was going to say, so what's it?
Do you like the lights?
I do. They're like touch. I'll get out. I've had enough. I need to go home. Take me away.
Should we see if we can get you one of these and we'll put that in your van?
I know you never tried your life and go for one of those.
No. I actually wouldn't. I mean, it'd be amazing to
You could
experience.
totally get the Iveco behind us.
I'd break this.
I'd break it as well.
100%.
All these white worktops and stuff like that.
I'd go down the first track and it'd split in half. This is a bit cool. Oh mate, I'm getting some blue LEDs in my garage. It just makes it look better.
It does, doesn't it? It looks so cool. How That's a standard power set.
I'm doing that today. So this comes standard with lithium
more or
and
less,
solar.
yeah. This is what you.
It's a bit mad for a van, isn't it?
Isn't it?
Is this like John's kind of layout?
Yeah, the other side though, isn't it? But this is. Look at the cupboard space. Got a lot of cupboards.
This is posh.
It is, isn't it? Compared to the others, like.
Yeah.
I mean, it's got a nice old bed.
Somehow we managed to take over the Frankie stand.
Frankie, get the thumbs up then from you.
Oh yeah.
I think I'm a valet detailer by trade. I just sell for the company as well as work in the workshop.
Okay.
But I was thinking, like, if I'm coming down to have a laugh with you guys kind of thing, while I'm there, I may as well.
Sorry if this video's all over the place, which it probably will be. But just getting little bits and bobs when we can.
There's an hour queue.
Found him. He's already completed it.
We're out hunting wild wombles. When your van's back, the funny one. It's just mental.
Just give you an idea of the amount of people here today. It's an interesting looking layout. That's a weird layout, isn't it?
It is a weird layout.
And you got the
They
toilet.
tended to split the back end now on them.
But like the toilet with the back door.
Yeah.
So odd.
Yeah. But you don't have the back door open.
Oh, would.
Yeah.
Poo with a view.
Yeah, poo. Yeah, you got your back to the view though.
That's a massive skylight.
Yeah.
It's quite a small van. Feels a lot bigger with that layout. See what we got on here. I see bucket seats. See this doesn't. I like them, but this doesn't. It's not as nice as them other ones. Nowhere near.
There's with these. There's no other way you can really do it, is there?
Yeah. That's it. So you've got to make it look extra special. It's still alright, but this is cool. You ready? Okay, that's a bit of me right there. Not very practical for living in, but you can carry a Triumph.
What's the other one you want? Choose brings. Oh, it's 40, you get 40.
Right, that's it. We are finished. Get the hell out of here. There's only so many brand new things you can look at. Right. So folks, we're about to travel in convoy to some reservoir somewhere and chill out, drink lots of alcohol. I know I didn't film a lot today, I do apologise. It's just little random clips here and there, but you know, it's just how it is. We were mingling and chatting all day. So, but yeah, parked up now in this car park. Still 2 more people to come. We're all hanging out in Darren's van at the minute.
Right, they go rigid, but once they're around your waist. But then you've got a boy.
Here is a V8 pulling up.
I forgot bloody.
Woo! Oh. There we go, the whole squad is here. There we go, the ball games have begun. So, you've obviously missed a day, but yesterday I spent the whole day editing videos and stuff anyway, so wasn't much to see. Obviously you saw Liam's van tour yesterday, so hope you enjoyed that. Slightly intoxicated right now, but it's all good. So yeah, quite a productive day. We've met quite a few companies that want to work with us and do bits and bobs, so you'll be seeing that hopefully in the future. Thank you to everyone that came and said hello at the show. It's always a bit weird sort of meeting people, but I do try my best. I'm not used to this sort of world where everyone knows things about me and I know nothing about you. Been hanging out with Darren as well. If you don't follow Darren, the Urban Motorhome, then you should, because he's absolutely hilarious. We got Wandering Womble as well. He's always a good crack. Life Beyond Bricks, they've just started a YouTube channel, I believe. They have a blog as well, so go check them out. You don't need any introduction to Project Amber, of course, but if you don't follow him, go check his channel too. And Geeky Phil, he's always a good laugh. Makes this show actually interesting to come to. I hope you take something from it, otherwise it was pointless me walking around with a camera. But yeah, that's it. We've just ordered a Chinese, so I'm going to eat that and chill out for a bit, a few more beers, and then hit the sack. So I'm going to leave the camera in here now and enjoy the rest of the evening. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this random video, and I shall see you all tomorrow. Catch you in a bit.